So hi everybody, this is the stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Lasten dual markers, and they're dual tip watercolor pens, and they're made in China, and they're water-based with no odor. They're dual tip with two different shades. They're round pen holder and comfortable hold easy to use, and they're really actually good markers. These are them. And there's 12 of them, and there's some brilliant colors there. I like them a lot. And like I said, they're odor free, so this is the first time I've ever gotten these. So I'm going to use these and see what happens. Then also by Lasten, I got their paints, and these are watercolor paints. And let's see what's inside. Yeah. So I got these, and this is what's inside, and then I got the palette. So again, these are by Lasten. If you like them, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will leave you a comment also on where to get them and how much they cost. Not the cost, but how to get them. I love you. Take care. God bless.